I'm a registered dietitian and I never order a salad as my entree at restaurants. One, I like to order things out that I can't easily make at home. And two, no, thank you. I will not be paying $17 for sad lettuce, not enough toppings, and probably bottled dressing. So let's make a salad that doesn't suck. The base is kale that's massaged until it's tender, along with some crispy green leaf lettuce. And then we're taking chicken tenders and making a yummy Parmesan breadcrumb coating. Dredge the chicken in flour, then egg, and then press in the Parmesan crumbs. Cook in a little olive oil until the chicken is golden brown and crispy. The Parmesan vinaigrette reinforces our parm theme. It is tangy, herbaceous, cheesy, so good. Top the greens with crispy chicken, lots of extra Parmesan, tomatoes, black pepper, and a big drizzle of dressing. And if you're going to come for me for putting fried chicken on a salad, save your typing fingers. It's 2024, and if crispy chicken tenders help you eat more kale, I'm so here for it.